Trophic cascade is an ecological phenomenon that occurs when predators in a food web
Trophic cascades
suppress
occur
the
when
abundance
predators
or
in a
alter
food
the
web suppress
behavior
the
of their
abundance.
prey, thereby releasing the next lower trophic level from predation. There have been many prime examples of this. One example being of when the last gray wolves were killed off in 1926 and reintroduced in 1995 to Yellowstone National Park. Before the wolf population was reintroduced, the deer population was abundant, causing overgrazing in many parts of the park. This was reversed when the wolves were reintroduced into the park. Because of this, the deer population decreased, as well as reprogramming their behavior and staying out of areas of the park they could easily be trapped in and eaten by the wolves. Those areas started to thrive again, with the plants and vegetation growing back, bringing more insect and bird life. The increase in trees brought beavers, which built dams that provided habitats for a great variety of other animals, such as ducks, otters, muskrats, reptiles, and amphibians. The increase in With the wolves stabilizing the coyote population, it brought more animals, such as mice and rabbits. This occurrence brought many small predators, such as hawks, weasels, foxes, and badgers. The wolves did not just bring more biodiversity into the ecosystem of Yellowstone, but the most interesting thing is it changed the behavior of the rivers. The, the regenerating forests stabilized the banks, so they collapsed less often, there was less erosion, so more pools formed, and more riffle sections, which were great for the wildlife habitats. Trophic cascade is not just impactful in nature conservation, but as well as in the conservation of humans. For example, if you get rid of whales, you get rid of plankton, who absorb a lot of carbon out of the air. This leads to a warmer climate change, all because there is no whales. This may lead to an increase in global warming, which may have catastrophic consequences for the human race. There are also consequences when large predatory fish are taken out of coral reefs. This allows prey fish, like parrotfish, to overgraze the algae on reefs, leaving the coral unprotected, this leading to the coral reefs dying. With the coral reef gone, most of the fish population die off, leaving us with less fish to eat and less protection from wave action and tropical storms. Although, like every scientific topic, it comes with controversy. There are some criticisms with trophic cascade, one being plants possess numerous defenses against herbivores, and these defenses also contribute to reducing the impact of the herbivores on plant populations. Also, herbivore populations may be limited by factors other than food or predation, such as nesting sites or available territory. The biggest controversy is most communities don't act as simple food chains, but as complex food webs, with more than one large predator most of the time. Like in Yellowstone, there was more than one important predator, such as the bear and cougar, who were both at the top of the food web. Even with its controversies, ecologists are still further looking into what they call the trophic cascade.